This flawless content was shot here. Impressive, right? Want to see my photography degree? Oh yeah, I never got one. Replica Surfaces makes it easy to take great photos and videos so I can focus on what I care about. Cassie's cat candles. I'm Cassie. Replica surfaces are interchangeable, high-resolution, easy-to-use backdrops that elevate your product or food videography. My shoots went from hours to minutes, and the quality increase was incredible. It's so easy. Put 2 backdrops into the replica stands, place your product, and shoot. Elevate your photography game without taking up your whole day. I used to have a problem with my unsold kitties taking up space.
Mom!
Babe!
But thanks to product photography and video that show my true worth, now my problem's keeping up with demand. I knew my kitties were the shizzy, but my photos and videos of them look like this. Plus, I spent most of my time setting up photos or trying to build my own background, and there wasn't any time left for my passion. It's like my side hustle had a side hustle and I was out of breath. That's when I decided to invest in myself and get Replica Surfaces, and boy, has that investment paid off. It makes life easier, but more importantly, it puts my work in the best light. After I finish a project, I care about it so much, it's my baby. Plus, when I was making subpar content of my above par work, it wasn't getting the love it deserved. I mean, I shouldn't care about social media, but come on, 15 for this chubby buddy? Replica Surfaces gave my work a platform and let it succeed on social media. Quick disclaimer.
Replica Surfaces does not guarantee social media success. You must also be independently fabulous.
Which you are.
You may or may not be independently fabulous.
You are! And Replica lets you show it. Whether it's desserts,
Geckos!
jewelry, pickles, pottery.
More geckos!
How many geckos do you have?
I know more than that.
Whatever makes you special, Replica Surfaces lets you show it. Plus, with Replica Studio, it makes adjustability even easier. I just have to move it to find the most natural light. You can add Replica Shadow for a more dramatic look, or lower it for an overhead shot. Done. Boom. Just saved an hour or 2. And I can move it to wherever my kids are. Or wherever they are not. Replica Studio gives me more control and less hassle. Plus, Replica Surfaces introduced me to a community of creators who share their work and help each other thrive, like my mentor, Miranda.
Replica Surfaces helped me land my first magazine cover. Now I'm an ongoing photographer for the magazine.
Oh, or my friend John.
I used to keep my whittling to myself, but thanks to Replica Surfaces, I'm an influencer on the TikTok now.
Whether creating for yourself or by yourself, it's easy to give up, but Replica's community keeps me motivated.
Check out these shadows.
And it comes with this really sturdy, adjustable base.
I'm obsessed with how good these surfaces make my photos look.
And whenever I need inspiration, I can watch Replica's free tutorials on YouTube or take their comprehensive paid course on the site, which includes styling, lighting, shooting, and editing. Photography moved from a chore to another passion, but nothing takes the place of my kitties. And you. Get Replica Surfaces today and move your side hustle front and center. Order Replica Surfaces and start taking better content by the weekend.